Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you some tips on how to make $10,000 a month working from home. It may sound like a dream, but it's totally possible. Many people are making a full-time income by working from home, and you can too. So, without further ado, let's get started. Find a high-paying remote job. The first step to making $10,000 a month working from home is to find a high-paying remote job. Look for job postings on websites like LinkedIn, Indeed, or remote.co. Focus on jobs that match your skills and experience, and that offer a good salary. Build a strong online presence. Having a strong online presence can help you attract more clients or job opportunities. Create a professional website, update your social media profiles, and showcase your portfolio. Make sure that your online presence reflects your skills and expertise. Start freelancing. Freelancing can be a great way to earn money working from home. You can offer your skills as a freelancer on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com. Set competitive rates, and deliver high-quality work to get positive reviews and repeat business. Create a digital product. Another way to make money working from home is to create a digital product like an ebook, course, or software. Identify a problem that your audience faces and create a solution that they will be willing to pay for. Promote your product through social media, email marketing, or paid ads. Offer coaching or consulting services. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can offer coaching or consulting services. You can provide one-on-one coaching, group coaching, or create online courses. Set competitive rates and promote your services through social media or email marketing. Start a blog or YouTube channel. If you love writing or creating videos, you can start a blog or YouTube channel. Monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Focus on creating valuable content that your audience will love. Conclusion. There you have it. Some tips on how to make $10,000 a month working from home. Whether you choose to find a high-paying remote job, freelance, create a digital product, offer coaching or consulting services, or start a blog or YouTube channel, the key is to focus on your skills and expertise. Keep learning, growing, and delivering high-quality work, and the money will follow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.